Lions Eye Bank was started in the year 2009 because we could see that there is a lot of people suffering from blindness due to corneal problems and so on.
Cornea donation is removal of the cornea or retrieval of the cornea, which can be used for patients whose corneas are damaged. So depending on what part of the cornea is affected in a patient, that can be transplanted. If the inner part is affected, then inner part can be transplanted. So this way, a single cornea can benefit two patients.
For the last 5 years, we managed to get around more than 400 corneas. That, one patient donates 2 corneas. So it will be, we managed to do more than 800 cases.
Niko na mtoto alizaliwa na shida ya macho. Tulienda OC tukaambiwa inafaa fanyiwe transplant Lions. I was like, hii kitu ita cost a lot of money, but surprisingly sikulipa chochote.
Did you know a lot of people still feel unsure about cornea donation, and most of that uncertainty comes from stigma, not facts. The cornea is a tissue just like the blood, not the whole eye, and donating it after death doesn't change how someone looks or how they are treated. What it does is to give someone their sight back.
So if you wish to give the gift of sight, we've made the process quite simple. First, you can come to our facility at Lions SightFirst Eye Hospital, Loresho, and then you will be guided to the eye bank, through which one of our staffs will take you through the process on which you can pledge. Secondly, we've provided a link online in which there is a criteria through which you're guided to donate your corneas and to pledge, because at the Lions SightFirst Eye Hospital, we serve by giving the gift of sight.